What's going on, Hot Wheelies? We are back again, but this is not a mail call. This is not a thrift store find. This is the stuff we busted open before, and we just found something out. We are
Hot Wheels Collectors, Hawaii.com.
And we never dig in a box too good. But when we did dig in a box, on the bottom, we found this. Golden ticket.
That's
What
right.
is that?
So, if I'm correct, this golden ticket should mean that we are the recipients of free die cast for a year.
Ooh, was that one a month probably?
I think it won a month.
It's
Not
free,
sure.
but that's cool, bro.
Yeah, that's a
That's
good deal.
awesome, bro.
So when I bought these, I got all the boxes confused. I was expecting 3 boxes in. I got 2. I'm still trying to find out on the third one. But this golden ticket was supposed to have been in with something else, I think. But it ended up in the bottom of the box of 10 pulls for the Father's Day promo.
Well, there's some odd things about that.
Yeah.
1, for Father's Day, you got it. 2,
Touche.
okay, finish what I was going to say first. Because I was going to say, oh, Pops. But it feels like... Shut up, I can't even finish. Okay, sorry everybody, but we just... So you can tell me not scripted out, but you guys look and see his face, bro, like that. I was just gonna say it feels.
I don't think they want to.
Yeah, I don't think they see none of us.
That's why I don't have mirrors in the house.
When I shave, I gotta go outside by my car, use the bumper so the thing don't broke. It feels like what you call the Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, the golden ticket.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You know, so I was like, oh wow! When you found the ticket, I was like, whoa. So
Yeah, and we're dumping the box.
yeah, good thing you never just throw the whole thing away, bro.
I know.
And that's a good score. So hopefully, House of Cars.
Well, that should be a lesson learned. I hate styrofoam.
Yeah, but good thing you
popcorn
never
crap.
like me a freaking thing and throw the whole thing
Yeah.
away.
I would have did it. I was dumping it out.
So let's
and that
see.
popped out.
Let's see if they because it says, "Greetings, you are hereby declared a golden ticket winner." So you know what? I mean, and that's from House of Cars, right?
So do I win a diecast factory?
I don't know. Maybe win a diecast. You grow and trip. Can I be your +1? I promise I won't. I promise I won't eat the blue car. Oompa loompa, doompa dee dum. This is what happens when your friend is a bum. Okay, so
Watch the ticket's gonna be to Malaysia.
No, but that's cool. So hopefully, and actually the quality of the sticker is
Yeah.
pretty nice. So hopefully,
I haven't figured out where I want to put it though.
well, wait first. Let's make sure that we get stuff sent. You know what I mean?
I think the ticket's cool just by itself.
Yeah, but you know what's even
Where
cool
should-
is when you get free diecast once a month and for an whole year. That's even way better.
Well,
So that's the cards we got. All of these right here.
Yeah.
So it's a good score. I mean that's a lot of nice cars. You know what I mean?
Yep.
A Camaro, a V-Dub, Roadster. You know what I mean? And so hopefully find out more info on that. And
yeah.
wow, that'd be sweet. Once a month.
Yep.
Going present.
All right.
Okay, so I feel like eating candy now, so we're just gonna go buy some candy and get out of here. But like and subscribe. Thanks for taking the time out of your busy, fantastic day for watch us. We much appreciate it. We're spreading the aloha here, and you can too on
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
yeah.